Hello friends, today we will show you how to add data or get data in your Power BI application. So in order to do that, first you open the Power BI setup, and then you go to file. From file you go to get data. So this new window opens, and from there you choose if you have a CSV file. You go for text CSV. If you have Excel workbook, then you select Excel workbook or SQL database. There are many options to choose from, but since we are going to use CSV file, so we are choosing CSV. So after choosing, we are going to go to my data set. Here, if we add, select and open, then this will open up and will get added with this other CSV files, but we don't want that. We want to create a whole new file, is a Power BI file, and then add all these CSV files in that. So in order to do that, we go first in file and open as new, and a new window will open up, and there we'll select get data, text CSV, dataset, grocery store, customers, open. We will transform the data and later, but we will first root this data first. See, this new window has opened, and there you will see all these columns, and this is the customer.csv, and it will show you all the columns in that CSV file with all necessary informations. So go ahead and load it. Okay, in data view, this customer on the right hand side, this customer table has been reflected, and then we will add more columns, more CSV files. Go, then add grocery store dot calendar code, and then then again add grocery store, the products, these CSV files, I'll save this as grocery store. As grocery store .px file, and that's it. That's how you do it. And afterwards, if you want to, which you need to transform the data, you go to home and then go to the transformation page, transformation window, and transform the columns, the formats, data formats accordingly, and then again afterwards hit close and apply. So that's how you do the whole thing.